This is insane, guys. I just converted an HTML website into this fully editable WordPress Elementor website using Claude AI. And the best part, I have done it all using 100% free resources without dragging and dropping Elementor elements for hours. So let me show you how can you do the same. So in order to convert a HTML website into a WordPress Elementor website, we will use Claude AI. But let me show you the website I'm going to convert into this video. As you can see, this is for an electrician business and it's a local business in New York, and as you can see it has pretty nice sections with the services they offer, the recent project sections, and after that we have the review section with nice testimonials and ratings, and after that we have the contact section with the contact form and of course a Google Map location form. So this website is pretty much professional and insane, and it can impress any local contractor out there. So we will be converting this same website into a WordPress Elementor template, a WordPress website, so that you can sell it to any local business out there in USA or Europe, and you can easily make 1000 to 2000 USD. So let's go to Claude AI. And after that, let me simply attach the HTML website I have created using Claude. Okay, let me attach all the three files, the CSS file, the JS file, and the HTML file. After that, let me simply type a simple prompt that please convert the attached HTML, Tailwind CSS, and JS website into a fully working Elementor template with respective additional CSS which we are supposed to paste into WordPress customizer. Make sure to use only the native Elementor elements to convert this website. Okay, and after that let's hit enter, and Claude will do all the heavy liftings and it will convert this website into a WordPress Elementor template. Meanwhile, let me show you how can you buy the domain and hosting and install WordPress on it. So for that, I will put the best buy hostinger link into the description in order to buy the hosting, and after that you will reach on this page where I will suggest you to go either with the business hosting plan where you can host 50 websites, or the unlimited website hosting plan where you can simply host the unlimited website, and it's on the huge sale. You will able to get one free domain as well. So let me select the unlimited plan over here, and on the next page you will be able to select the plan duration. For the plan duration, I will simply suggest you to go for at least 12 month plan so that you can simply claim the best possible discounts and also the free domain for 1 year. Okay, so after selecting your plan, simply click on the continue button, and on the next page you will be able to sign up using your Google account or GitHub account. Okay, as you can see we are getting the free domain over here. So let me click on continue, and after that simply sign in using your Google account or GitHub account, or you can use your email address as well. Once that's done, you will be able to make the payment and simply install the WordPress in one single click. If you need the tutorial on how to install WordPress, I will make sure to put that into the description as well. Okay, I have already installed the WordPress on my subdomain, so let me simply guide you on the next steps. So simply go to appearance, and after that click on themes, and let's click on add theme over here and search for one of the most popular WordPress theme named Astra, and it has lots of the customization features and also the amazing loading speed. So let me simply install this theme, and after that let's activate this theme. And done, guys, our theme has been activated. After that, let's navigate to plugins and click on add plugin, and let's add one of the most popular WordPress page builder named Elementor, and it's for a good reason because it lets you create amazing looking WordPress website designs using just simple drag and drop functionalities. Okay, so let me simply install the Elementor page builder, and after that let's activate it. And done, guys, we are all set. Now let me show you how can you create a new page on which we will import our Elementor template created by Claude AI. Okay, so let me simply cut this out and let's name it home. And after that, let's click on publish button. And once the page has been published, let me simply click on edit with Elementor, where we will be able to simply import our Elementor JSON template. But before that, it will be best to select the page layout settings to canvas because we need to get rid of this header and also the title on the top so that our page will look cleaner. Okay, so let's scroll down and let's go to page layout and select it to Elementor canvas. Okay, and after that let's click on the publish button and we will be now ready to import our JSON template. So let's go to Claude AI and it has completed its work, and let me simply download the JSON template and the CSS file. So I have downloaded and extracted the file and we are now ready to import these. So first of all, let me simply paste the additional CSS into WordPress customizer. So let me simply open the WordPress customizer and additional CSS, and after that let me simply double click and open the CSS file into code editor of VS. Okay, you can use almost any code editor out there, and after that simply paste this CSS and click on the publish button. And once that gets published, we will be now ready to import our JSON template. So I have refreshed the Elementor page so that the CSS can take effect, and after that I have simply opened the template folder and let me simply click on select file and let's select our JSON template over here, and let me click on the open button and let's click on enable and continue, and after that we will be able to insert our file. And amazing, check this out guys, we have got our website ready literally within minutes. Okay, and check this out, the quality and everything else. Let me simply publish the page and let's check this out how it looks. And amazing, there is a little flaw that the hero section was not full width, so no issue. Let me simply edit the container into the Elementor and let me simply change it to full width, and now it should be fixed. Let me simply publish the page and let's refresh and check this out again. And just check this out guys, amazing. I mean, just look at this, there is one image missing over here into the about section. That's not a big deal. Let me simply increase the width of this section. Also let me simply put the same image over here for the about us section which we are using into our HTML version. And check this out guys, it's done. Let me simply click on the publish button and let's check out the website again. And check this out guys, amazing, it's looking insane, beautiful and fully professional. And check this out, this section is looking amazing with all the icon boxes. And after that we have the recent project section in which we have one image missing at the end. So now let me simply copy this element and let me simply paste at the blank location at the end, and there will be an image as well. So you can simply edit this website using Elementor however you want. As you can see, these are all native Elementor elements. Okay, after that let me simply publish the page again and let's check out our website again, and everything is looking professional, nice, okay, and pretty organized. So this is how you can simply create a WordPress website out of an Elementor website using just free resources, and the conversion was pretty easy. And as you can see, everything is looking correct on the footer as well. And just check out this website. I mean, you can literally sell this kind of website for thousands of dollars because it has the powerful CMS of WordPress. Okay, and it's not just a fancy AI website out there which is looking generic and everyone can create it. No, it's fully customized using Elementor, and it has nice CMS section for blog and everything else. Okay, so as you can see, these are all native Elementor elements. This is an heading, this is an image, and check this out, this is an icon box, I guess. Okay, so this is insane. I mean, just look at this, we have created this whole website using Elementor native elements, and it's fully editable, and we are using just free resources. Okay, so as you can see, this is the testimonial section, and after that check out this Google Map section, and you can see it's a native Google Map. Okay, and in the footer we have the edit icon list option from the Elementor. Okay, so everything here on the website is fully editable and you can simply edit it however you want. Okay, so this is amazing guys. Okay, now let me show you how can you simply make this page the home page of our website. Okay, so let's go to settings, and after that under readings you will be able to select the option your home page displays to an static page, and let's select home, and after that click on save changes. And once that's done, let's click on visit site and verify the changes. And now once someone will enter our domain, our URL, they will simply land on this page automatically. So this is how you can simply make this page of home page of your website. Okay, so amazing. So what do you think about this website overall? Let me know in the comments. If you have liked this video so far, please like this video, share this video with your friends and family so that they can start their website development journey all for free. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.